Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 12. This is Section 3.4, Problem 12. It says multiply the given numbers, and we have 3.48 times 4. So to multiply a problem like this, first just ignore the decimal. Multiply 348 times 4, get the answer, then put the decimal into your answer. So 4 times 8 is 32. Write the 2, carry the 3. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus the 3 more that we carried is 19. So I'll write the 9 for 19, carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 more that we carried is 13. So I get 1,392, but now I have to put the decimal in. So to put it in, count how many places after the decimal in your question. So altogether, only 2, because the 4 didn't have anything after the decimal. So 2 places after the decimal in the question. I must have the same number of places after the decimal in my answer. So 1, 2. If I put the decimal between the 3 and the 9, that would give me an answer of 13.92.